Hello guys, welcome to our channel once again. Please remember to like, follow and hit your notification icon to always get a constant update. Let's get right on to it. For today, we'll be learning how to go about our daily cipher in the Hamster Kombat. So for today, the word is hamster, Hamster, hamster. How do we go about decoding that for our 1 million coins bonus? So first and foremost, we activate the interface by tapping on the end per tab 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It has changed the interface. Then we'll take the H alphabet. How do we decode the H? It's going to be 4 short taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives us the alphabet A, H. For A, it's going to be a short and a long tap. A short and a long tap. Alphabet A. For alphabet M, it gives us 2 long tap. 2, gives us M. For S, it's going to give us, we are going to have 3 short taps. 1, 2, 3. Then for T, it's just going to be a long tap. 1, just a long T. And for E, just 1 short tap. Then for R, alphabet R, we have short, long, short. Short, long, and short. Voila, we have 1 million prize and we've been able to crack it. Thank you so much. Remember to like, follow, and hit the notification icon to always get a constant update. Airdrop farmer says so.